Hey! In front of me is REALME 10 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down. Then choose Privacy section. In it, tap on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features. In my case, Location. Then click on an app. I will go with Calendar and select one of those options by tapping on the best one for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with allow only while using, so when I go back, I can see that Calendar just gained access to this device's location if I'm using it. But you can always tap on any feature and look for an app that you are interested in. Like for example, I will go into Contacts to manage my Amazon shopping. Then choose See all Amazon shopping permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!